I am so blessed that I attended the Certified Voice Artist program this year. I am beyond grateful. I learned so much. And I consider CVAP one of the best things that happened in my life this year. Sa totoo lang, first time ko na maka-attend ng ganitong program. And I'm glad I did. Kasi sa totoo lang, nung malit pa ako, there was a time when I dreamed of becoming a voice talent. Yun ang alam kong tawag doon. And as I was growing up, pinangarap ko din na gumawa ng mga voice-over project. And eto na nga yung start ng journey na yun. I praise and thank the Lord for giving me this opportunity to attend CVAP. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung apat na bagay na nagawa ng CVAP para sa akin. Well, sa totoo lang marami. But I would like to share four main things. And as I speak and give this testimonial, I'd like to address